Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add X amount of people are viewing this product. Okay, so this is going to be an easy tutorial. Really, it's not going to take you any time. You can add that lead widget to your Shopify product page so that you can make it seem like a lot of people are viewing your products. Okay, and also you can change the widget to any widget you want. Like I said, this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated. Okay, so you want to go to your own Shopify store. Just open your Shopify dashboard, and after that you want to click on, I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, so you want to click on online store. Okay, so after guys you click on online store, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on these three little dots next to customize. Click on edit code. Okay, so after guys you click on edit code, you want to search here for, don't worry, this is not like some complicated thing. Okay, just search here on the top left for theme. Okay, that liquid. Okay, this is the file that you need to search for. It's called theme.liquid. Okay, and after this is the file, click on it. Okay, so after you click on the file, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, you want to paste there a code. Okay, don't worry, this is you don't have to like write a code if you are not familiar with coding, stuff like that. I will just add a code in the description. Of course, there will be like two codes. The first one is to add X amount of people are viewing this product, and the second code is going to change the widget to any widget you want. It will make the widget a little bit professional, you know. So first thing, you want to go to the description and copy the code, the first code that you need. Now I'm going to add here number one code and number two code. Okay, the number one code, it's called how to add X amount of people are viewing this product. Okay, this is the code. You just need to copy this. Okay, make sure you select the whole code. Okay, so you want to keep scrolling, like just highlight all the code, and you want to click on right click copy. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now you want to go to Shopify, and you want to paste that code here at the very bottom. Paste it, Control V or right click and click on paste, and then click on save. Okay, now I'm going to check if it has changed. I'm going to check if there is this option now or this feature on my Shopify product page. I'm going to check my product page, as you can see, and as you can see, we have successfully added that. Okay, as you can see, it says here 100 people are checking this item right now. Okay, or you can change it to anything you want. For example, 100 customers are viewing this product right now. You can change this text in the code. Okay, I will show you how you can do that. You can also change this or validated by quick state. You can change it to anything you want, to your store name, for example, your store name. You can change it here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the code. Okay, here you want to go down and search for, okay, here it says display message. Customers are checking this, are checking out this item right now. You can change this text to anything. For example, customers are viewing. Okay, you can change it to any text you want. Okay, I'm going to change it from okay, I'm going to change it from like checking to viewing. As you can see, now it's checking. I'm going to reload this page. As you can see, now it's changed to viewing this item right now. You can also change the validated. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. I'm going to search here in the code for the name, which is the name. You just need to search here. Okay, I'm going to copy this name, which is by default, that's the name I have added here, which is quick state. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Okay, so you want to click on the screen, or you want to click on the code and then click on Control G. Okay, you want to search here for quick state, and this is it. Okay, now as you can see, you can change this quick state to any text you want. For example, in my case, my Shopify store name is, I'm going to go to my Shopify store name, which is off market. I'm going to change it to off market. I'm going to click on save. Okay, so I'm going to check here right now. I'm going to check. As you can see now, it's validated, or as you can see, or verified by off market. You can also change the validated to anything you want, for example, verified or anything like that. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, you want to copy another code, okay, which is the design, okay, which is the design. I'm going to click on the code right now. I am going to add this code in the description, okay. Like I said, I will add 2 codes. Now we want to copy the code, okay, copy the whole code, like, or highlight the whole code and right click, copy, and then go back. Okay, next thing you want to do, instead of searching for theme liquid, you want to search for base.css. Anything that ends in .css is the file you want to click on. This is going to be different depending on theme you are using on your Shopify store. For example, if you are using for like down theme, it's going to be base CSS. Like other themes, it's going to be style.css, or it's going to be theme.css. okay, this is going to be different. You just need to search here for a file that ends in .css. That's going to be the file that you want to click on, okay. It's going to be, like I said, theme.css, or let's say style.css, custom.css. okay, it can be custom.css. Now I'm going to click on, in my case it's going to be base.css. You want to scroll down at the very bottom and you want to paste another code. Paste it there, click on save, and as you can see, all it does is to change, is going to change the widget. Now as you can see, the widget now, it looks very ugly. Now I'm going to reload this page and I'm going to show you the widget is going to change. As you can see, guys, the widget looks really cool. As you can see, you can also change this widget to any widget you want, okay, depends on what widget. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I can also create a code for you if you want to have a different widget, or you want the text to be a little bit smaller. Just let me know in the comments. I will give you guys the code in the description, and then you can replace that old code that I will add in the description of this video. You can replace it with another one. Just let me know in the comments, and yes, see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.